Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to get some really awesome custom animations on the lock screen of your iPhone without a jailbreak, of course. Now the trick is to use some custom made wallpapers that are made to get these animations on the lock screen of your device. So here's what I'm talking about. Open Safari and open this link that I will leave right down below in the description of the video, and here you will find these wallpapers. Just scroll down and you will have these right here, a folding fan. If you go there, just tap these blue letters, it will show different styles of that wallpaper. Then lower here you have some 3D objects, and you have some more here. Just scroll down, here we'll have this cool arrow right there. And then you have this loading indicator, this loading bar right here. Pretty awesome. Just go ahead and click on any style that you want, and from here you can find different types of that same wallpaper. So you can see the loading bar with different colors right here. Just go ahead, choose whichever you want. For example, you can choose this one with all these loading indicators, and just save it to the camera roll of your device, and then just go ahead and set it as a wallpaper for the lock screen of your device, and you will get those awesome animations. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Here is the wallpaper that I just saved. You can see this awesome animation. Once the screen wakes up, you can see how these bars will fill up. Pretty awesome. Let's go to the other ones. Now let's take a look at the fan. You can see how it will unfold. That's pretty cool. A really great animation right there. And then we have the loading wheel. You can see how cool that looks when it loads. You can see pretty awesome how it fades in. It looks really cool. So these are just some of those wallpapers. You have a lot more there. Just go ahead and discover them, save them to your device, and apply them to the lock screen, and you will get those awesome animations on the lock screen of your device. Of course, without a jailbreak and absolutely for free. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. These are some custom-made wallpapers that will get you custom animations on the lock screen of your device. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one.